You already know from the title of the video that we're making Isi Ewu today. So this is the goat meat. It's just on fire. The goat heads. So how would normally make it is to just put it on fire, let it cook and soften before we deskin it. But if you get this from the market, they would easily cut it into pieces for you. But because we kill these goats at home, yeah, this is how we go about it. So here I just cut up the head into different sizes. There are certain parts that you have to scrape out or wash with hot water. That's around the tongue and teeth area. So this is it all cut up, and we usually also break the head to get some of the bones that are like very sweet and can easily be broken and eaten. Here are the ingredients we're using: pepper, Utazi leaves, Ukpaka. Everything is going to be in the description box, by the way. Cameroon pepper, some ungo. This is for thickening, for making the palm oil curdle. Actually, not thickening. Salt, seasoning. Then in this mortar, I already pounded some pepper. I'm going to go in with palm oil. Then afterwards, I went in with some of that ungo. So you mix it with water, let it settle, you sieve it. I sieve this twice, and then I just use the water to curdle the palm oils. Then this is the brain of the goat head. this is this is very important. You can't make it say without the brain of the goat head, please. So in went the brain, and I just mixed all of that. I put in some diced onion, put in some seasoning, salt, some otazi leaves, and yeah, mixed all of that together. At this point, it already smelled so nice. And also note that the goat head wasn't cooked with any salt or anything. It's always even very tasty when you've not even added salt. So in went the Ukpaka, and after that I mixed it a bit. Then I went in with the curdled palm oil and every and just mixed everything together. This was so good. So I let it cook for some time, especially because I noticed that some part of the goat meat wasn't properly cooked. And after that, I served this, of course, with some onion rings, some water leaves, and just a bit of fresh pepper for extra heat, because you know this type of thing you eat and it's supposed to be very spicy. You wash it down with a chilled drink or palm wine is perfect. And just look at this deliciousness. This was absolutely tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.